Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to extract data from the website using Power BI. So we are using the ESPN website. So I'll be leaving the link at the description below. So you can go to the description to get the link for this website that we are using. Alright, so you can go to the ESPN website, you can go to the tables. Go to the table. So this is where you find all the tables in this website that you can use for your analysis, right? So this is one of the tables here. So the English Premier League table 2024 to 2025. So the next thing to do is to copy this link, then go to your Power BI. Go to your Power BI. Then when you're at your Power BI, go to get data, then select web, then you paste the link, then press OK. So the tables are going to display. So when the tables display, you just select, you can preview the different tables and select the ones you want to make use of. So here are the different tables here. So suggested tables, not the HTML tables. You're going to select the suggested table. So when you click on this, you see the preview. So you see what the table is about. You click on this, you will see what the table is about. So you basically can now select the table you want to make use of from here, right? If you want all the 7 tables, you can go ahead with it. So you see that this table 6 explains the abbreviations in other columns like GP means games played, this and this. So you can just maybe exclude this table 6 and then select this whole table. Then you can either choose load or transform data. So you choose load when you want to go ahead and start doing your analysis and visualization. Then you can choose transform when you want to still do some data cleaning for your data. So when you choose transform, you can go ahead and clean your data. So the Power Query editor comes up. So here you can go ahead and do the necessary data cleaning and visualization. So I hope you learned something new today. See you next time. Bye.